You know what? I've been running this 3D printing channel, but I don't even have a 3D printed logo. So I did some research to make one, and there are just so many options out there. I can do basic modeling in NomaScope, but I wanted to learn CAD to get into more precise dimension-based design. So I've decided to go with FreeCAD. I heard it's pretty tricky to pick up, so I'm a little bit worried that I might regret it later. It'll probably take a while to get the hang of it. You know, there are so many ways to learn things these days. So as long as I stay consistent, I think I will be fine. So right now, I'm working on my first channel logo using YouTube tutorial. I'm gonna leave a link to the tutorials I've been following for this video in the description if you're interested. I wish I could walk you through the technical side doing this project, but I'm still learning, so I think it's best to leave the technical explanations to the experts. I'm working through the steps one by one right now, but it's a lot harder than I thought it would be. If you got any tips for me, please share them in the comments. I see a lot of people make this into custom keychains, but since I'm just gonna make this for display, I'm skipping the keyring hole. Alright, I'm happy with how this turned out, so I'm gonna save this file and get it printing. Alright, let me scale it up a little bit, and then add some colors to make it a multicolor print. And I'm gonna adjust the colors to match the filament in my printer. And let me send this file over to the printer, and we're ready. Okay, it took about 30 minutes. I think I spent way more time learning than actually printing. Look at this. Everything is perfect. The font and the colors, I think all that learning finally paid off. This is me trying to make something practical. If you're a pro at FreeCAD, I want to say I respect you so much. There were a few times while working on this where I seriously considered just giving up. It's pretty hard to make things from scratch, you know, like from the lines. I think I'm way more of a sculpting person. Working with digital clay just feels so much more natural and easier for me. Anyway, I followed a tutorial for this as well, but I got a bit stuck on knitting the holes and fine details. So I decided to keep it simple and stick with this basic design. Everything is good, let me start the print. Okay, this took about an hour. And here's a phone holder. As you can see, it's not heavy duty, but it works for tablet too. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one.